everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm here to bring with you guys my CVS haul. Now I think it was last week or something, one of you guys mentioned that the CRT apocalypse, I think it was last week, that the CRT apocalypse has officially ended. I was pretty excited, you guys. I was finally excited. I'm starting to get CRTs that I can use. I want to use them, but with deals and everything, I just can't do it. I've been still getting a lot of those L'Oreal like age perfect CRTs, but they never go on sale, or they go on sale, but not enough for like how we used to get them. So anyways, I'm here to share with you guys what I got. Now the first thing I was so excited to get was boxes of cereal. Number one, I am a huge cereal connoisseur. Like, it's crazy. I prefer General Mills cereal over Kellogg's. The reason is because I feel like I get Kellogg's all the time and I'm just kind of out of Kellogg's, but I was so excited. When I went and did cereal deal a couple weeks ago, they hardly had any because somebody like bought them up, but I was so excited that they had the cereal stocked. So these were each $1.99. One of the cashiers like, yeah, I wish this one cereal would go on sale. So he scans it. It is on sale. He's like, oh, okay. And then I gave him a coupon. He's like, well, don't you want to use it? I'm like, no, you can use it. So I gave him a coupon. So he was so excited. But anyways, these were $1.99. And I used two $1 off of 2 insert coupons that we got maybe a couple weeks ago. I cannot remember exactly. But you guys want to use that. And then there is, I had a 2 off of 8 food or breakfast CRT, and then I also had a 2 off of 8 General Mills cereal, but I thought it was for family size, but when I scanned it, it said for this, this, and this, and I'm like, okay. But anyways, I did the breakfast cereal because that one was expiring today anyways, so I ended up using that one. So I had a 2 off of 8 CRT. You'd pay $3.96 for this. Why did I totally mess up on this? Yeah, I totally messed up on this. Anyways, I wrote it in the wrong spot. But you would pay $3.96 for this, making this just 99 cents. But I actually scanned my receipt with Fetch Rewards and I got $1.20 back. I got 1,200 points back. So that makes it an even better deal. $1.20, it's like, what, $2.60 or something is what I got. I wrote the wrong breakdown in the wrong spot. But anyways, I'm pretty excited with the cereal deal because I love it. So yeah, they have a deal where if you buy 4 General Mills cereal, you get $1.20 in points back, and I will totally take that because I just love cereal. I just love cereal. I do want to give you guys a heads up. I am close to hitting 50,000. I am about a little less than 1,000 away, and I will be giving away a ton of different, not these bags in general, they don't make these ones anymore, but I bought a bunch of different ones, so I plan on giving a ton of that stuff away. I plan on making things, so, you know, once I hit 50,000, you guys, I'm hoping to hopefully hit that. It'd be awesome if I could hit it before the end of the year ends. It'd be awesome if I could hit it before Halloween. I think that should be my goal. But anyways, so I was originally going to do this deal. This is, what was this? This was $3.99, and I was going to use a $1 off coupon. Making this, my thing is leaking again. This thing is always leaking. Making this $3, or use a $1 off coupon, making it $2.99, and then you get a $2 extra care buck, making it 99 cents. But I had that 6 off of 4. It was a 6 off of 4. Or was it 3? I can't remember. It was a 6 off of 4. I can't count all of a sudden. But I used the 6 off of 4 digital coupon. And I use it with these things of toothpaste. Now I got the sensitive because I don't get very much sensitive toothpaste. My father-in-law loves sensitive. So I'm like, I need to get more sensitive toothpaste, but there's hardly ever deals for it. But these are $3.49. I got 3 of them, and then I also use that 6 off of 4. So 4 of these together, you got $8.46 back. But you get $2 back for buying the scope, and then you get $5 back when you purchase 3 of the Crest toothpaste. So all 4 items come out to be $1.46 or just 36 cents each. So, I mean, it's up to you guys how you want to factor in that deal, but I'm happy I finally got sensitive toothpaste because I got so much other stuff, but I barely ever get like the sensitive or the enamel. So I was excited to get that. My store got more of these. I was pretty excited. For the last couple weeks they've been sold out, but this is the monofoil deal. I know there is a printable coupon for it. I didn't want to print it off because I know my store didn't have any in stock. They took the tag down, and then I saw in one spot that they did have more, but they only had 2 more. So yeah, this was $9.99. You'd pay $9.99 for it, but then you get a $9 extra care buck, making it just 99 cents. So 99 cents is a way to go. I got so many of those, it's crazy. I got some razors, and I have yet to smell these. Yeah, Jennifer, let's just smell the cardboard. That's the way to go. Way to go, Jennifer. Yeah. So I got the Skintimate razors. Now these were $5.99. I had a 5 off of 2 digital coupon, and then I had a $3 off digital coupon. Paid $9.97, but then you get a $5 extra care buck, making it $4.97 or $1.65. So it's up to you guys how you want to factor in that deal. But I was excited to go ahead and do that deal. So I ended up doing the Axe spray. Again, I forgot to do my math, and I don't have my phone on here. But anyways, these were $6.79. They were buy one get one 50% off. I only had a $1.50 off in digital coupon, and then I had a 3 off of 10 CRT. I don't know the price I paid. I was gonna write it down and then I forgot. But anyways, you get $2 and an extra care bucks when you buy 2 of them. But if you guys didn't know this, you'll end up getting 2 1,000 points with Fetch Rewards. So that's $1 and $1 back with Fetch Rewards. So it ends up becoming, I think it was like $1 something for each of these if I did my math right. I didn't do my math right. But anyways, if you guys need to go ahead and do that, I can, if you want me to write that down, I can just comment below and I can tell you what the math is on that. But it's just confusing. I ended up getting the NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil. Now these were $4.99. I have made sure to always price check a lot of the makeup because I go there to do the spend deal and then I find out that it's the wrong price. And so I'm like, okay, we're going to make sure these are $4.99. So these were $4.99. I had a 3 off of 10 CRT that I used. I paid $6.98 for the both of these, but you get a $5 extra care buck back, making this just $1.98 or 99 cents a piece. So if you guys need some eyeliner or whatever, I think you could use it. It says it's, I think you could use it as like a primer or an eyeshadow. There's tons of different ways they said you could do it. So yeah. So the next deal we did was the Snuggle deal. Now my store didn't have what I wanted to get, the shakers, but that was okay. So I ended up getting one of these and one of these. These were $5.99. They're currently on sale for buy one get one free. And then I had a $1.50 off coupon that I used. The coupon was not working, so they just entered it in. I mean, I bought 2 of them, so I don't know why the coupon was not working because I bought a Snuggle product. But anyways, and then I also had a $1 off any Snuggle Exhilarations. Or actually both of these came up with the $1 off Snuggle. So I think there's a $1 off too, but I can't remember if it was 1 or 2. But anyways, you guys would get these for $3.49. But then you can get a $2 extra care buck, making it just $1.49 or 74 cents each, which is a great deal on some Snuggle. I've actually been really enjoying the Snuggle brand more lately. I've always been a Downy person, but now I'm loving the Snuggle because I like to snuggle. And this is by far one of my favorite shampoos and conditioners to use. I love the smell of it. I just love it. I have not had one complaint about it. You guys, I know a lot of you guys may or may not like it, but I prefer it. But everybody's hair is different. So these were $4.99. I had a 4 off of 2 printable coupon from coupons.com. And then I also had the 4 off of 2 Redbox machine coupon. You just get these for $1.98 or just 99 cents a piece. I usually say go for it, so I'm pretty excited for that, and I actually really like that shampoo. So that was my, oh wait, I had another item. I don't know what happened to it. It might have fallen out of the trunk. That's awesome. Anyways, I got a Revlon eyelash curler, a Revlon eyelash curler. I don't know what happened to it. But anyways, it was $6.29. I had a $5 off Revlon Tool CRT, and I had a 3 off a 6 Revlon Tool CRT. So I ended up just getting it for free. I can't remember if it did, I think it gave me overage, so I ended up becoming a $1.71 moneymaker. It might have fallen on the countertop, or it's in the back of the trunk because some stuff spills out. But that is okay. That is okay. My total came to 51 cents for everything. I ended up using $53 of extra care bucks. So I'll take it, 51 cents for all that stuff. But I only received $30 back, so it was a loss, but I'm okay with that. For Fetch Rewards, I received 3,025 points, which is $3.25. Making my grand total just $20.26. 21 items at just 96 cents each. So it's okay. I did lose a lot of extra care bucks, but that is okay. I know I'll probably be hitting beauty at least once, I know for sure, and then, you know, we'll see what happens. But again, thanks for watching. Let me know by giving this video a thumbs up, and I will see you guys all next week. Hopefully we get some even better CRTs, and hopefully the sale's a little bit better. The sale was good. The sale was slow, but it was good because it was better than what I got last week. I'm just happy about that. Again, thanks for watching. See you guys next time. Bye-bye.